It's just like a camera.
It's a little blurry.
All you see is dark with flashy lights going on. That would suck.
This thing is kind of wishy on it.
Dude, I think I might be running out of time. I really think I might be running out of time.
Explosive diarrhea.
Blowjob from the janitor. God, we just repeated ourselves. How freaky. Paradox. Kaboom.
All in one thing. It had a point.
Oh. Dude, I think I really might be running out of time.
Oh, this is like the episode of... This is like the episode of One Piece.
It's taking so
Usopp and
long.
one girl builds those big firework things.
Oh, one.
You skipped it.
No, it's like. Did Funimation do it?
No, it was actual episode. Did you skip it?
Of course you did.
No, I don't really remember because I went straight to the Alabasta scene.
Oh, it was after. Hour of it.
When is it before?
What?
Oh! You mean the
Fireworks
whole...
one?
Oh, I skipped that because it was a side story.
God, I
didn't
hope this
really
doesn't
like that.
stop.
Go back and watch it.
They were talking about the fireworks, and I'm like, it became too long, so I'm like, oh, screw this.
So
I
what did the Japanese do for 4th of July?
don't know.
I don't think
I don't know if
they probably don't really have anything, do
yeah,
they?
they don't. I don't think they.
It's just a normal, ordinary
Yeah,
day.
same thing
Worship
with
a great
Canada.
samurai. Zoro. No, I'm joking. Well, he is, because he's back in the pirate age, you know?
No, they have an anime cosplay overall.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
usually do cosplays. I don't know.
But like the whole country just
It's like-
goes into
there's
cosplay.
something called
I'm sorry if you're Japanese watching this. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna shut up. Just keep on filming.
Yes. Yes, sir.
No, I'm not. I'm half Asian. You look like my brother.
Wow.
Not that guy.
God,
My American
that's
brother.
disturbing.
Even though you're not Asian.
I am Asian.
He is.
No,
God.
you're European.
European. Are you?
You're seeing all my shoes.
Yes, I am.
Oh, have you ever seen the movie Cars?
Which one?
The Cars.
Cars. Okay.
You know the animated one? The piston cup. It's like, what do you? He will do what in this cup? Holy moly! I gotta scoot over. It's been 13 minutes so far. 13, 14, 13, 15, 13, 16, 13, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and so on and so forth.
Your hair?
No, I don't.
Get off of me!
Did the Philippines have any like cool like wars, like civil?
There's a lot of wars.
Name a few.
I thought the Philippines was supposed to be a happy place.
Philippines were. Oh, they were? I thought it was Japanese.
And invaded the Philippines.
So considerably, your ancestors could be Japanese.
No,
Holy moly!
they're pure Philippines.
Okay.
Your ancestors could have gave birth to your other ancestors and then died?
How do we get on this topic?
My grandparents who were still alive, and my grandparents were children.
Sad for them.
Dude, it's already up to 14 minutes.
Fireworks part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6, 7, 8, 9.
This is way over the YouTube limits.
Finale.
Well, it's fine.
Yeah, it's okay.
It doesn't matter what the YouTube limit is. Unless if it's under. It's good if it's under 1 gigabyte.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey.
Michael Conroy, if you're listening to that, well, unless. Yeah, you're rock. But if you're listening to that, I think it's 1 gigabyte, and it doesn't really matter because there's a lot of people who has like 15 minutes. Would you stop doing that?
I'm gonna put this in HD though.
Sorry for that cutoff, but
Yeah, we
Chugga
ran
Conroy,
out.
Chugga Conroy, if you're listening to this, you could do as much videos as you want. There are a lot of people who have like 15, 30 minutes on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we get banned because of this, well,
Thank you.
yeah.
Hey,
I was gonna say something else, but please don't ban us. And if we do, you YouTube.
yeah, YouTube, you're screwing us up. Allow the music to
Shout out
play.
to Jordan
But I
Jr.
understand why you only need 10 minutes, okay?
Excuse me. I'll go soon.
Too late.
I want to make a shout out to Jordan Jude 1 because we saw you walk by us with 2 of your other friends,
2 or 3.
and you should have said hi. We were gonna say hi, but you're too fast, man. I couldn't catch you.
Sorry about that.
I followed you. No, I didn't. But comment this video and tell us hi or something.
And to the people of Illinois, this is really cool. We're West
If
Illinois.
European people are watching this, please do enjoy this because I don't know, because it's colorful. That's my shout out.
Wow, that's a pathetic shout out.
No, I've realized that every single child doesn't like this anymore.
Yeah, I know.
And
After about, I don't know,
Oh yeah, we'll see.
18 minutes worth.
Oh yeah, I want to make another shout out to the one guy, one screwdriver thing. That was fucking weird.
Yes.
disturbing.
It was very disturbing, and if people do that again,
Make sure
I'm gonna
you
sue
do-
the internet.
You can't do
Well,
that.
no,
Yeah,
but
that's too much.
No, just don't. Just don't do it. It's horribly sick and wrong. And
Yes.
it hurts. I bet. I bet. I bet.
Oh yeah, it breaks.
I
into-
wouldn't even try to guess.
I bet it hurts.
I don't
I
even
think.
want to imagine that, man.
It's not like I did it.
Something just tried to bite me.
Quote, yes you did.
No. Superman. Space.